A digraph is two letters that make one sound.
A, A,
E.
let's see and learn about the digraph AW. Letter A makes the sound A and letter W makes the sound W. These two letters join together and makes the sound A. Let's see some words with A sound. B, A, Pa, Pa. K, A, crawl, crawl. J, A, jaw, jaw. Y, A, yarn, yarn. D, A, draw, draw. Let's see and learn about the digraph AI. Letter A makes the sound A and letter I makes the sound E. These two letters join together and makes the sound A. Let's see some words with A sound. A, rain, rain. Brain, brain. Gain, gain. Snail, snail. Paint, paint.
Let's see and learn about the digraph EA. Letter E makes the sound Y and letter A makes the sound A. These two letters join together and makes the sound E. Let's see some words with E sound. E, ear, ear. Eat, eat, eat. Bear, bear. Leaf, leaf. Cock, peacock, peacock.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.